All right, so here's how the process works, guys. So obviously this is seasonal backstock, so this is winter, and it's the last bit of winter that we have before we switch to the spring, summer backstock. So what we do is we put it in bales. It's rolled in the bale. It's elastic bag, so we put elastic bands around it. When we box, we do not use elastic bands, but to keep the integrity of the bale, we use elastic bands, and obviously we reuse the elastic bands. They're stacked by store number and by weight, which is really kind of irrelevant to you guys, but we do that and, so we can see where a bale came from, but stores share bales. You don't necessarily get the same bale back, and that is so that there's a heightened sense of ownership and responsibility to do a good job and not send crap to another store. Okay, so Colin's got the clamper on the bale. He's going to pull it off there. So he's got the bale standing up in the cart now. All of our 40 carts are retrofitted with bars. We have metal bars that we put in every 40 cart to make sure that when the carts are moving from the flow control center to a store, that we don't have stuff falling forward in transit. So every one of our 40 carts that we have bars in them, and there's slots for 3 bars, and we just had a local welder retrofit all of them over the years. So now it's important that Colin has his safety glasses on, as he does. The next thing that they do is they shrink wrap the cart. That's not because the wires are gonna pop. There's actually usually not a lot of safety concerns around the wires when he cuts, which you'll see. The issue is more around the bale itself. Sometimes some of the stuff will come shooting out, and so especially out the front. And then these are going to a store anyway. So again, so that we don't have stuff falling out of the carts in transit, we shrink wrap. There is a large expense to shrink wrapping, but we recycle plastic in this market, and clear plastic is got the most value. So there is some payback from shrink wrapping. Once he has this thing completely shrunk wrap around the outside of the cart, then he is going to take it and cut it. We cut these bales ahead of time, and what we were originally doing is waiting till stores ordered them before we cut them. And what Gurvinder and his team that's Gurvinder, he's the warehouse manager. What Gurvinder and his team does now is they just automatically keep 4 or 5 40 carts ahead of my stores. So he's cutting 2 or 3 of them every day, and then it gives them time to breathe. So when Colin cuts, these things will breathe. If you see, these wires are not popping. They're not. There's no safety issues in terms of them coming out and getting you. And then he's also got a little bit of extra protection from the shrink wrap as well. But you don't see wires popping out towards Colin's face at all. So what we'll do is we'll cut them. We'll let them breathe for a few days, and then after they've had the ability to breathe for a few days, the store is going to order it, and Gurvinder's ready to just send this to a store. There's about 5 or 6 items in each roll. These things are going to breathe over the next few days, and they'll be ready for one of my stores to take them, roll them out on a table, which I'm going to show you in a different video, and process them.